There are three ways to create purchase orders in this application. The first is via the requirements plan. If we go to stock and down to requirements, we can see that we have planned sales and works orders. Some of those works orders require bought-in parts. If we click the first demand for the bought-in part, we're presented with a menu to plan our purchase order. We can accept or change the preferred supplier. The supplier stock reference is brought forward from stock database, as is the unit price, and we can change the date. The pack size and the conversion rate comes from the stock database. We can change the quantity. To plan this order, we simply click OK, and if we scroll down, we can see that purchase order in the planned orders box. To create the planned order, we simply click Create Planned Orders, and if we now go to Purchase Orders, we can see that the order has been created. We can select it and edit the order. The order is as we created it on the requirement screen. We can update this by entering supply reference, or any of the details can be altered. And once we're satisfied, we can click Update and Send. This sends the order to the supplier via your printer and post in the conventional way, or if the supplier's email has been set up on the system, we can send it via email by clicking the checkbox. The second method for creating purchase orders is from a quote request. We may have previously created a quote request from a particular supplier, and having received an appropriate quote from them, we simply select and confirm the quote as an order. That again creates a purchase order listed here, and we can select and edit in the same way. Finally, we can create a purchase order in the purchase order screen by clicking New Order, select a supplier from the drop-down menu, give the order a description, a supplier reference, click Line Item, and select an item from the drop-down list. The supplier reference is drawn from the stock database, as is the price. A default quantity is given, but this can be changed. The pack size of 1,000 with a quantity of 1 will give us 1,000 items for our stock. The conversion rate again is drawn from the stock database, and we can amend the date if we wish. Once we're happy with the order, we can simply save and send the purchase order to the printer or email. We can see now that the third order appears on the purchase order screen along with the two previously created.